Hello everyone, my name is Axel James P. Fabregas and I'm representing Serbia. Serbia is a landlocked country at the crossroad of Southeast and Central Europe, located in the Balkans and the Pannonian Plain. It borders Hungary to the north, Romania to the northeast, Bulgaria to the southeast, North Macedonia to the south, Croatia and Bosnia and Herzegovina to the west, and Montenegro to the southeast. Serbia claims a border with Albania through the disputed territory of Kosovo. Serbia has about 6.6 million inhabitants, excluding Kosovo. Its capital, Belgrade, is also the largest city. The flag of Serbia, also known as the tricolor, is a tricolor consisting of three equal horizontal bands, red on the top, blue in the middle, and white on the bottom, with the lesser coat of arms left center. The capital of Serbia is city of Belgrade, Beograd. It is one of the oldest city in Europe, and since ancient times it has been an important traffic focal point, an intersection of the roads of Eastern and Western Europe. Belgrade is situated in southeastern Europe, on the Balkan Peninsula. Serbia has a five-region for statistical purpose: Belgrade region, Vojvodina region, Šumadija and Western Serbia region, Eastern and Southern Serbia region, and Kosovo and Metohija region, and 29 administrative districts. Serbian main agriculture: corn predominates, occupying zone one-third of the cropland, and wheat is next in form. Serbians are very proud and resilient people, and these traits are reflected in their sense of humor. Most Serbians have strong sense of pride, and they can be deeply offended if they perceive that they are being insulted or underestimated. Serbia has a natural beauty. Serbia is home to beautiful natural landscape, including mountains, river, and national parks. The country's most famous landmark is Geobolja Barros, a unique rock formation. Serbia's famous cuisine is known for its delicious meat, dishes, cheese, and pastries. So that's all I can talk about Serbia. I hope you like my country and I hope you visit it and be amazed of its beauty. That's all. Thank you.